Discover the superiority of Viettiles Breeze Cement Block. Durable, eco-friendly. Looking for durable, weather-resistant bricks? Viettiles Breeze Cement Block is the perfect choice for you. Made from 100% natural materials like sand and cement, combined with modern static pressing technology, each brick ensures exceptional durability, keeping your construction looking as good as new. The product is completely eco-friendly. Not only does it protect nature, but it also helps reduce emissions and save energy during the production process. Weather resistant, whether it's rainy or sunny, Viettiles Breeze Cement Block is always durable, keeping your home cool and clean without worrying about degradation over time. With a refined design, it's not just building material but also a stunning architectural highlight for your living space. From balconies and gardens to ventilation areas, Viettiles Breeze Cement Block create airflow, bring a cool, pleasant atmosphere, and elevate the aesthetic value of your project.